with Bree Bree. Bree Bree is swimming today. This is Ninang Mau and Tito Justin's place here. Oh, sorry. And they're going to boating today. Bree, say happy birthday, Tita Jonah. Thank you so much for the gift. You swimming, swimming. Walk, walk, Bree, walk. Stand, stand.
Swim, swim. How to swim? How to swim?
How to swim? How to swim? How to swim? How to swim? How to clap, clap. To the water.
Swim,
What's
Bree,
the
swim.
sound of a duck? Doon sa likod ka dapat, CK, para mas hindi siya maano ba.
Sa likod na. Kaya makapunta sa bahay.
Woo! Dong dag. It's raining, Bree. It's good. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. Say with. You don't have tomorrow. You don't have to go to school because we're going to Quebec City. Mademoiselle, Mighty Educatrice.
Bree, can I swim?
Bonjour sila. Bonjour Garen. Bonjour Gavin. Bree. Ayan po si Bree. First time niya po dyan mag-swimming, mag-swimming. Dapat yan si Garen, bigay ni Ate Mabel. Then, para sa kanilang dalawa, kaya lang si Garen today. Garen today was also in the swimming. Nag-boating sila. Wow! Nag-boating sila sa yak.
Bree, look at Tata Bree.
Yate, nag-yate. Oh, hello, my love. My love.
Bree, look at Mama.
Ah, my love. I love you, my love. Ay, grabe, tuwang-tuwa ang my love, oh. Oh, grabe na yun, oh. Ganda ng outfit niyan. Ganda, kaya lang eh. Bree, come. Bree. Bree. Bree, talk to Mama, Bree. Hello. This is today was baby Bree first swimming. That is given by Tita Mabel for Bree and for Garen. Hello. Bonjour, Bree. This is first time ni Bree mag-swimming today. We're in the pool. And happy birthday, Tita Jonah. Today is Tita Jonah's birthday and yesterday was Papa Larry's birthday. Thank you so much. Ate Ninong Mau, ni Tito Justin, Ate Ann, Tito Dolfo, Ate Yang, Tita Ninang Fe, and all for the surprise birthday of Papa Dong and Kuya Bernard, also the most awaited visitors. Bernard and weighing today. Happy birthday, Bree. Say happy birthday, Papa. Bree. Happy birthday, Tita Jonah. Thank you for the gift. Tomorrow we'll be going to Quebec City with Bree, Papa, Mama, and Bree, Tata, Kuya CK. We're going to Quebec City tomorrow, Monday, June 29. Oh, wow, Bree is swimming, CK. Oh, yeah. Well, Garden is not here because Garden is also in swimming. Ay,
Papunang ka talaga ba?
ha? Teka lang.
Papunang ka talaga.
Garen is not your classmates because Garen is also in boating. Where's Garen, Bree? Say thank you to Garen.
Tinatawa siya ng water ba? Look at the rainbow.
Rainbow. There's a rainbow in the water, oh. You see that?
Swim, swim.
Alis ka dyan si Kiki.
Swim, swim.
Oh, baby first time swimming.
Baby.
Woo! Baby swimming, Bree swimming. Wow, sige. Wow! Wala, may rainbow. Ba't ganun? Wow! May rainbow.
Kaya nga, nakikita sa video.
Oo, doon ka nga sa gilid. There's a rainbow! Doon ka, baby. Tama na. Doon ka na. There's a rainbow, Bree.
Look at the rainbow, Bree.
There's a rainbow. Yay! A swimming lab. This is the baby Bree. This is Tita Joy Anna birthday.